Hello everyone. So today we'll continue with the CAT previous year question series, and this will be the LRDI set number 82 from CAT 2017 paper. Now we'll look at the question. So the question says, four cars need to travel from A to B. Two routes are available, one via M and the other via N. The roads from A to M and from N to B are both short and narrow. In each case, one car takes 6 minutes to cover the distance, and each additional car increases the travel time per car by 3 minutes because for the congestion. For example, if only two cars drive from A to M, each car takes 9 minutes. तो हमें पता है to travel from A to B, we have two ways. One is through M and the other is through N. The A to 1, the A to M and the N to B are the short and narrow distance. And if only one car travels on them, it takes 6 minutes, and it takes plus 3 minutes for each additional car. So if two cars are traveling from A to M, it will take 9 minutes for each car. If three cars are traveling to it from A to B, then it will be 6 plus 3 into 2. So it will be 6 plus 3A. This will be 6 plus 3A. So 6 plus 6, 12 minutes will take for each car if three roads are traveling over here. ठीक है? On the road from A to N, one car takes 20 minutes and each additional car takes increases the travel time per car by 1 minute. So this one will be 21 plus 1A. On the road from M to B, one car takes 20 minutes and each additional car increases the travel time per car by 0.9 minutes. So this will be 0.9A. A police department orders each car to take a particular route in such a manner that it is not possible for any car to reduce its travel time by not following the order, which of the while the other cars are following the order. So the first question says, how many cars would be asked to take the route A and B if that is A Akala Nanur Bakala route by the police department? Okay, so we need to go from A to B. We have two options. Either take the AMB wala road or take the AN and then B wala road. These two options are there. Okay. Let's say there is one car traveling from A to M to B, and there are three cars traveling from A to N to B. This will be one case. The other case will be 2 and 2 each on both the route. And the third case will be 3 on A and B and 1 on A and B. Let's consider these three cases first. Okay. Up we know that on A and B there is only one car. So it will take how much? 6 plus 20. 26 minutes it will take for that one car. And for those three cars, it will take how much? This will be 22 over here. 22 plus it will take how much? 12 minutes over here. 12, which is 34 minutes for each car on A and B, right? If there are two on each road, how much time it will take from A, M, B? It will take 9 for the two cars. So we are talking about the time per car. So per car from A to M, it will be 6 plus 3, 9 minutes plus 20 plus 0.1. 0.09, sorry. So this will be 20.9, which will be how much? 29.9 minutes. And this will be how much? 21 plus 9. This will be 30 minutes per car. And in case of 3 and 1, it will take 12 plus 21.8. This is how much? 33.8 minutes. And this one will take how much? 20 plus 6, 26 minutes. So if the police has to divide the cars such that no one can reduce their time by not following the orders, it will be what? 2 on each road. Then only the time will be almost equal, which is 29.9 and 30 respectively. No one can reduce their time by not following the orders. So how many cars will be sent on the A and B route? 2. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 2. We're done with the first question. Now the second question says, if all the cars follow police order, what is the difference in time travel between the car which takes the A and B route and the car which takes the A and B route? Difference क्या है? This one is taking 29.9 minutes. This one is taking 30 minutes. What's the difference? 0.1 minute. Option number B. Done with the second question too. Coming to the third question, it says a new way, a new one-way road is built from M to N. There is a new one-way road which is built from M to N. It's a one-way road. ठीक है? M से लेके N तक. Each car Each car now has three possibilities to travel from A to B. One is A and B, what is A and B, and the other is A, M, and B. On the road from M to N, one car takes 7 minutes and each additional car increases the travel time by 1 minute. So this one is 7 plus 1A. Assume that any car taking the A, M, and B route travels the AM portion at the same time as the other cars taking the A and B route, and the NB portion at the same time as the other cars taking the A and B route. मतलब जो A से M जो इस वाले रास्ते जा रहा है A, M, N and B, then he will travel the AM route at the same time जब A, M, B वाली cars AM पे जा रही हैं, and he'll travel the NB route at the same time when A and B वाली cars NB पे जा रही हैं. ठीक है? How many cars would the police department order to take the AM and B route so that it is not possible for any car to reduce its travel time by not following the order while the other cars follow the order? Assume that the police department would never order all the cars to take the same route. ठीक है? Given that, now we'll again, instead of two routes, we have now three routes, which are A, M, and B. The second one is A, N, and B. And the third one is A, M, N, and then B. These are the three routes. ठीक है? Okay, now we have four cars. One option can be that two cars take A and B, one cars take A and B, and one car take A and B. AM and B, sorry. The other option can be 1, 2, 1. Two cars take one car take A and B, two cars take A and B, and one car take AM and B. The other option can be 1, 1, 2. One car takes A and B, one car takes A and B, and two cars take AM and B. There can be other options too, where zero cars take A and B, three cars take A and B, and one car takes AM and B. But we'll dwell on these options later if we don't get our answer in the first three, because when we are adding three cars on a single route, because of this multiplication factor 3A, 1A, and 1A, and so on, the time will increase only. It won't decrease. And it won't be same for the other route. For example, if we send three cars on A and B, and we are sending zero cars here in this case on A and B, then why won't any other car go on A and B if that route is empty? There is no other car traveling on A and B. So, of course, then we have to create a situation where police is dividing the cars such that people cannot reduce their time by not following the order. ठीक है? the police needs to divide the cars between the three routes such that the people cannot decrease the time of their travel even if they don't follow the order. But here, if we see, if we keep A and B empty, which is zero cars are traveling on A and B, then people can reduce their time by not following the order. So we will not consider the zero wala cases for Abhi. If we don't get the answer in the first three options, then we will consider the zero wala case. ठीक है? So the first option is दो car travel करिए A and B पे. So how much time will they take? Now we see two cars are traveling on A and B and one car is traveling on AM and B. So that means from A to M, there are three cars traveling. That means how much time will they'll take from A to M? 12 minutes plus M to B, only two cars will go, not the third one, because third one will go to N. Then M to B, it will take how much? 20.9 minutes. ठीक है? Which is total कितना हो गया? 32.9. 12 plus 20.9, let's say 32.9 total हो गया. अब A and B में from A to N, there is only one car traveling, 20, but there are two cars traveling from N to B. We see there is one car from N to B and there is one car from this N to B. So there are total two cars traveling from N to B. Plus, this will be how much? 9. It will make us 29 minutes. And AM and B में कितना है? There are three cars traveling from A to M, which will make us 12 minutes. From M to N, there is only one car traveling, plus 7. N to B में there are two cars traveling, plus 9, which will make us how many? 12 plus 16. This is how much? 21 plus 7, 28 minutes. ठीक है? ये आ रहा है? अब when there is one car on A and B, two cars on A and B and one car on AM and B. So AM पे कितनी cars जा रही हैं साथ में? दो. That is how much? 9 minutes AMB के लिए. Plus और MB में कितनी जा रही है? सिर्फ एक कार, which is 20. Total 29 minutes. अब टू कार्स जा रही है A and B में, तो A से N में दो गाड़ियां आ रही है, which is 21 minutes each. Plus NB में कितनी गाड़ियां जा रही हैं? तीन, which is 12 plus 12. This is how much? 33 minutes. अब AM NB में A से M में कितनी गाड़ियां आ रही हैं? दो. 9 minutes. M से N में कितनी गाड़ियां आ रही हैं? एक, प्लस 7 minutes. प्लस N से B में कितनी गाड़ियां जा रही हैं? नाउ N से B में जाएंगी तीन गाड़ियां, which is 12. तो ये कितना आ जाएगा फिर से? अगेन 28 minutes. Again they can break the rules to change the time. But if we consider this 112 वाला case, that means A से M में कितनी गाड़ियां जा रही हैं? Now we know that three cars are going, one from A to M and two from this A to M. So three cars are going here. Then A से M में कितना टाइम लग रहा है? 12. Plus M से B में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 20. This is how much? 32 minutes. अब A and B में कितनी गाड़ियां जा रही है? A से N में कितनी गाड़ी आ रही है? एक, which is 20. अब N से B में कितनी गाड़ी जा रही है? तीन. एक तो यहाँ से, दो यहाँ से, तो इसमें कितना टाइम लग रहा है? प्लस 12, 32 मिनट्स. अब ए एम एन बी में कितना टाइम लग रहा है? 12 गाड़ियां तो इनिशियली ए से एम, देन दो गाड़ियां जा रही हैं एम से एन, विच इज टेकिंग 8 मिनट्स ईच, प्लस 12, तीन गाड़ियां जा रही है एन से बी, दैट इज 12 मिनट पर कार अगेन हियर, which is 32 minutes again. So in this case, we see that all the cars take 32 minutes. That means even if they change the time, sorry, they change the route, it won't help them because each route is taking 32 minutes. So how many cars would the police order to take the A and B route? Two cars. तो इसका आंसर क्या है? Two. Coming to the last question, it says, again the same question is there. A new road is built from M to M. Now there are three routes possible. On the road from M to N, there are 7 minutes to take for a single car, and every car increases the time by 1 minute. Assume that any car taking A and B route travels the AM portion at the same time the other cars take. at the same time as the other cars taking the A and B route, and the NB portion at the same time as the other cars taking A and B route, as we discussed in the previous question. If all the cars follow police order, which is this case is happening 112, what is the minimum time from A to B in minutes? मिनिमम टाइम का है हर एक केस में दे आर 32 minutes each route is taking. So minimum time in minutes from A to B कितना है 32. इसका आंसर है B. So I hope the following set to clear was set to the following set was clear to everyone. थोड़ा confusing language was there used in this set. I agree because ये जो statement है, the police department orders each car to take a particular route in a manner that it is not possible for any car to reduce its travel time by not following the order. I ये statement को interpret करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, but once you read it slowly and carefully, you will realize it कि हमें ऐसी situation लेके आनी है जब इन दोनों रूट पे या फिर इन केस ऑफ द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इन तीनों रूट पे सिमिलर टाइम लगे, तब कार्स रूल ब्रेक करके भी अपना टाइम रिड्यूस नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि तीनों रूट्स में सेम टाइम लग रहा है. That's what that statement means. So once you get that statement, it's a pretty simple set, but understanding and interpreting that statement is the trickiest part of this question. So after solving this, I hope this set was clear to everyone. And for any further queries, you can reach out to us on the following number, or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or the given email ID. Thank you.